In this tutorial, I'll be guiding you guys on how to change time on your Fitbit device. So let's get started. To change the time on your Fitbit device, you can follow these steps which I'm going to say right now, but note that these steps may not be the same for every device as different models have new functions, but the overall process is similar, and for most devices it's the same. So before you change the time on your Fitbit, make sure it's synced with your smartphone or computer. This ensures that the time on your Fitbit is accurate when you make the change. Open the Fitbit app on your smartphone or log into your Fitbit account on your computer. Make sure your Fitbit device is connected to the app. This typically involves Bluetooth pairing and ensuring your device is within range. In the Fitbit app, go to your Accounts tab and select your Fitbit device from the list of connected devices. Then in the device settings, look for the option to set the time or time zone. It may be labeled as clock face or time settings. Depending on your Fitbit model and firmware version, you may be able to manually adjust the time or select your time zone from a list. After making the time or time zone adjustment, sync your Fitbit with the app to apply the changes. Once the sync is complete, check your Fitbit's display to ensure that the time is now correct. In some cases, it's a good idea to restart your device to make sure that the time changes take effect. To do this, you can go ahead and search on Google and see on how you can restart it. So alright guys, that'll be it for the tutorial. I hope it helped you out and it was successful, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.